The sector has continued to grow over the last 12, 18 months. So this is a trend that we've started seeing in the end of 2013, end of the last quarter of 2013. That's when we saw a shift in the Portuguese economy. And this has meant that sectors like M&A started to grow since then. So we've had in our firm, our sector of M&A has grown since then. Private equity was a major, a decisive player in that growth in our firm. So we have a very good private equity team that has done a lot of work and then continues to do deals at the speed which is unbelievable, I would say, and we wouldn't think this would be possible 4 or 5 years ago. We also see new opportunities, and we see a lot of work being done in other sectors such as real estate, renewable energies, tourism. So there are several sectors indeed where the M&A work has grown significantly over the last couple of years and clearly over the last 12 months. The Portuguese economy has been growing, but this is a fragile growth, and so anything that could happen that could have an impact in the Portuguese economy. This could mean that all that fragile growth would be lost. So we are always concerned with that. So it can be political issues, can be economical issues, it can be whatever. But we are always concerned with that. So we are somewhat concerned that the ongoing political situation in Portugal could, in the long run, in a few months down the road, this could be deemed or looked at by investors as a factor of risk in Portugal, and we wouldn't like to see that. So that's I would say the concern that I can see across the board between M&A lawyers and in the Portuguese economy, in Portuguese stakeholders in general, the concern or that there could be any factors that would have an impact in the Portuguese economy. Having said that, our outlook for the next few months is optimistic. So we expect the Portuguese economy to continue to grow. The forecast is that the economy will grow, and we expect that these will generate an additional level and flow of work for M&A lawyers and for lawyers in general, and that Portugal will continue to be under the radar of international investors, which has been the case for the last 1 to 2 years. So we expect that to continue in the foreseeable future.